Hello, my name's Paul Dugas and I'm the owner of Impulse Takeoffs, and this video is going to show you how to start your first project. So once you log in to your portal, you're going to see this screen for the first time, meaning there's no projects here. So what you do is you click on Start Project over here, and it's just going to bring up some project details. So here's where you're going to give yourself a project name. So we'll just call it Test Project A. That title you want to be somewhat unique. So if you have just Starbucks, when you come look next time, you don't have 16 Starbucks. So you have, each one is going to have something unique on it. Project city and state. So we'll just call this Atlanta, PA, where I am. Delivery date. This is the date that you need it back. So if you approve the project, when you would need the deliverable back by. So to give yourself enough time to turn it around. So let's say, for instance, right now, I'm going to say this is going to be August 31st. And then the next thing, deliverables. This is what you're looking for. So this first one here is measurements only. So this would be material quantity takeoff. Second one would include labor hours. The third one is a cost estimate. So it's going to include the material quantity takeoff, but it's also going to include labor hours, pricing, material pricing, everything. Budgetary estimate is not going to include a detailed quantity takeoff. It's just going to be the budgetary estimate based on what's a rough order of magnitude. And then the premium estimate is going to be all of the above. The level of detail is going to be, I'm just going to put a material estimate for this test. Detail level is going to be standards, just basic counts at the summary level. Detailed is when you want to break it down. So by building, by floor, by phase, something of that nature. And then premium is when you want components, so such as fasteners, adhesives, things like that. So in here, we're just going to put standard on this one. And then here's where you check all the scopes. So if you see your scope here, you can check it, but you can also click on other and add a bunch of details. So I'm going to click on something. I'm going to say, for example, I'll click on drywall, but I'm going to say include all level 4. Okay, now here the next step is where you put a link to your blueprint. So if you have either a link to your Dropbox, say you would put it there, or if you had maybe a job board, you could put the URL to that job board. So say, something like Build Connect, and then you put your username and password so I can get to it. Or if you already have the file, you can just click on Add Files and pull it down from your computer. So let's just say I'm going to pull the files right down from my computer. So I'm just going to take, this project here. We'll just take this one just as an example. So here's something I'm going to load. So I just click that and it starts to load. You see it says 100%. Once it turns green, then you're able to click on it. You just click on submit and we'll see what's going to happen here. And there it is. Your project appears. So next step from here, as soon as that happens, is it'll send me an email. I will review the project. Once I review the project, I will put in a project cost here. And you will get a message that your review is ready. And then you can decide whether you want to approve or cancel. If you approve, you click this button. If you cancel, you click that button. And then the next step would be to fund your project, which I will do in the next video. Thank you and have a good day.